Check out this 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: 4-wheel drive, tow hooks, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, split bench seat, vinyl seats and pass-through rear seat. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.